This is my Palm Beach Bay Dancer 185 2002. Had a aluminum 35-gallon aluminum fuel tank in it that over the years developed a leaking fuel tank. After 20 years, had to cut out the deck to get to it and found it was kind of molded in at certain points. Not going to remove the center console to expose it all, so decided to cut the back 1/3 in half. Was not an easy job due to the baffles in the tank, but managed to hack the back half off. Then I had to cut the fiberglass from the sides that was holding it. Nope, still more cutting on the sides. Try again. I think I need more leverage. Almost there. There we go. Well, this is where the leak came from. Wow, what a hole in an aluminum tank. Well, I cleaned it up a bit, but you can see the marine wire they had in it was all deteriorating due to the fuel leak. What you do not use foam to balance your tank, to strengthen your tank, or to keep it from moving around. Do not use any type of foam. Use on the bottom of your tank, in the corners, in the middle, wherever it touches, neoprene. Now you can buy these rolls. This is a thinner roll, and use marine silicone, either 5200 or the Starbright. I like the Starbright, it's cheaper, it does the same job. I found I've been using it for years, okay? So, use that on the bottom of your tank, on your platforms. Use wedges. You can get neoprene door stops or wedges. On the bottom of the wedges, stick them in there tight to keep your tank from moving around. The other thing, neoprene rubber bungee straps, okay, stainless steel hooks. All right, strap your tank down from side to side. I got these little hooks screwed in, and then fiberglassed them in, made them nice and strong. Strap your tank down. Use a wedgie on the back. I will show you that when we get to installing the tank. But this is on, do not use foam when you're putting in a stainless steel or a aluminum tank. Alright, here's my new fabricated 20-gallon tank that I'm going to use to replace it. I just need to put in a 3/8 90 there for the fuel line, and right now I'm going to see how it fits. This is the new tank. And it looks like it's going to fit just fine. Alright, as I said, I put these hooks on the side. I'm going to do one more step to strengthen them, because these spongy cords with stainless steel straps are going to hook to them and stretch over and hold the tank down. Also, as I said, I put these metal brackets, shot some foam underneath. That's the only place I'm going to use to support it. So when that deck sits, it has support there, even though it's on an angle. This side, it has fiberglass, as you can see. So it's going to sit on that lip, so I don't need it on this side. As I said before, I'm going to put one more right here once I get the tank in. Alrighty, all I need to do is fiberglass them in, like I did the other side. Before I lay the tank down in, I sprayed with some corrosion protection. I picked this up at Walmart. So these wedges, used marine silicone on all the sides, strapped it down. Alrighty, well, I put wood glue along the edges on the wood, some silicone on the ledge there. I just set it in place. Well, as you can see, the front deck I had set in place and I glued it. Then I took a real coarse sander and sanded the fiberglass down to make it even. And now that I have my connections all connected, I'm going to fill it up with, not fill it up, but put some gas in it and see if everything checks out, and then I'll put the other piece in. Okay, well, I just laid the fiberglass tape over the cut lines, and I'll let that cure. It'll take about a day. Then I'll put 1 or 2 more coats on top of it, make it thick, and then I'll sand it all smooth. Put a coat, covered it blue so I could easily spread it, and needs 1 more coat, it looks like, before I sand it, and that'll be tomorrow. Put the other coat on. Okay, well, I applied the second coat, the darker blue, and of course it would have to rain, so it's a little wet, so I can't paint it. I did get a chance to sand it down a little bit. Ta-da! All finished. Seat is mounted, and boat is ready to go.